Hey YouTube, 85cc Master here. This is going to be a video on my project I started yesterday and I'm going to be working on for the next few weeks on Saturdays. So yesterday I started on a guy's property. He has a mixture of hardwoods. I started on it. I got one good size white oak. All of this is from that one tree. Here's the leaves on it. I went and looked it up and I know the bark changes at the basis like that, then it turns into this further up, and looking at the leaves online, it looks like it's some kind of white oak. So here's the base of this thing. Got a pretty good log out of this. This is like a 17-ish footer. And everything else I cut around 16 foot. Loaded it up on the trailer with my skid steer. All this will be firewood, besides that one good stout log. I might try to make something else different out of that. And in the back of the dump truck bed is my other logs that I got. More oak, all that's firewood. Didn't get as good of a load as last time from my previous video, but I still got a fair amount of wood, firewood from this trip. He's got a good sized red oak I still gotta get, and another white oak, good sized one, and some other hardwoods. So that's that. Here's some other blackjack oak or red oak, whatever you want to call it. I still got to tend to a little pile there. I'll be adding all this to my growing inventory that I'm building up. I got maple here. I believe it's silver maple. Wish it was sugar maple though. Red oak, white oak. I'm trying to keep them up on cement blocks to keep them off the dirt. More maple, red oak, white oak. I got a few good pieces in here that are pretty big, such as that one and this one over here. I've already showed this stuff off, but I'm going to show it again. This is my biggest piece. I got another big piece down there, but this is my biggest piece right here. Easily 2 foot on the end. So this is a rotted end. I got to cut this off, and I want to slab this. Definitely want to slab that one. And then over on the other pile over here, I got some hickory. Got some hickory. Piece of, looks like white oak right there. But primarily this is just all hickory. There's another piece of red oak right there. So this is my inventory that is growing. I'll make another video come next Saturday, or at least try to, after I make my next load. This is 85cc Master. Yeah, have a good one.